Hello, this is going to be basement fire alarm test 17. Now, just a quick note, these next couple videos are going to be a little bit rushed since I am going out of town tomorrow, and this is like the only chance I have to film these for like the next week. So, with that said, let's go over all the devices. Over here is a Notifier LNG-1R dual action push and pull, as you can see there. And up above we have a system sensor MAS 241575 ADA. It is set on 1200 Hertz and is being coded by the panel to code 3. So let's just pull it. Alright, so that's the end of the video. As always, thank you for watching. Be sure to check out my Groupme and eBay. Both are in the description. Thank you and have a great day.